Can you explain how to study the ethics?
Yes, yes. Okay. So, for instance, this is on ethics. First of all, the very important is to just remember the syllabus by heart, which they have also given. So, like here, it's the syllabus. So, you have to read it 2, 3 times and get a hold of these. Like, you have to understand that what all is the part of the syllabus. Then, obviously, as it has been given, the topic wise, what you can do is that this has full content, like around, I see that all the topics have been covered. So what you have to do, you in the first reading you will go through all this, and then you can make a short note of it, or you can also highlight it. Okay, for instance, like it's so much there is so much content, and that is also there because in ethics you can get different types of question, so you can develop different dimensions out of it. Once you give your first reading, you just sort out, you highlight certain things. After that you can just make short notes out of it, or you can highlight here itself. For instance, and also it is a very comprehensive coverage. Like we see that it's the definition of ethics is given. Apart from that, the characters in ethics, all these things are given. Also, one thing that you can do is you can just sit besides with PYQs, so as to just get hold of that how the questions have been asked, which have been very well covered. Apart from that, the best thing is that there is this table. Now this has all those philosophers that you can quote in any of your answer. Apart from that, doctrines are also given, which could be used across the topics. For instance, there's this and also that has been given history and period wise. So for instance, there is this of Vedas, so you can just quote it anywhere, wherever you get something about spirituality, society, even human relations, yoga, etc., which is matlab here you can just see it. Similarly, of like different Western philosophers, including the Indian philosophers, all of them are there. So table is done, and obviously it's very good that in 3 pages itself, everything has been covered about what is ethics. And this is a comprehensive table in the first chapter. This is actually very comprehensive because it could be used, in all the topics. Again, the Western moral thinkers, the only thing is that there is the content is more than sufficient. What you have to do is you have to highlight, okay, because they have given different dimensions. I feel that they have given all the different aspects of a topic, so you have to just give one reading and highlight or make short notes out of it, so you do not have to refer to any other book.
How much points we have to make from this?
Points, like I think around 10 to 12 good points, but then there would be dimensions and subparts, so more points would open. But most important is that you have to collect those points which you have not read anywhere else. Try to be unique, which I think they have covered everything. I'm seeing some kind of also like new philosophers and whatever they have used. Yes, and the best thing is also that they have given summary, so if you are in a hurry, you can just go through the summary itself, more than sufficient.